Why did the Triceratops bring a pencil to the party? To draw in all the attention. Hey there, peep-tastic dino artists. We are ready to embark on a prehistoric drawing adventure. And what better way than drawing our Triceratops and eye, and two majestic horns on our Triceratops' forehead. Imagine them as his dino party hats. And we can't forget the third horn on the beak. It's like the cherry on top of a dino's sundae. Now we'll draw the other eye, a peek from the side, a shy little glint where it tries to hide, and shape the head with a stylish flair. It's not a haircut, just dino wear. Sketch the body, tail, and legs with glee. For a dino dance party, as fun as can be. Then it's time to grab our marker and trace it right. Make our dino bold, awesome, and bright. Grab your favorite marker, and let's trace over those pencil lines to make our Triceratops pop. Did you know that? Triceratops had a huge bony shield on the back of their head, called a frill. It was like having their own built-in armor, to protect them from predators, and help them look extra awesome. Trace the rest of the head to complete your dino's look. It's where all his dino personality shines through. Finally, outline the body, tail, and legs. Our dino is all set for his grand entrance. He's ready to stomp, roar, and shine as the star of your awesome scribble. Finish up by adding your favorite colors, and watch your dino burst into life. Check out mine. He's now the coolest dino on the block. And guess what else is cool? There are more free awesome videos waiting for you at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!